Welcome to Dominion Drive in North Suffolk, a solid brick ranch. Inside, the home feels warm and inviting, with hardwood floors and a cozy fireplace that anchors the main living space. It's the kind of room you'll actually use every day. The dining area connects easily, making it great for both everyday meals and hosting, and the kitchen has been updated with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and finishes that just make sense. You'll also find thoughtful upgrades throughout, including a remodeled walk-in shower, fresh paint, and a custom walk-in closet that adds real functionality. Sitting on over half an acre in the quiet Bennett's Harbor community, with no HOA and a true neighborhood feel. But the highlight of this home is out back. You've got a heated, in-ground saltwater pool, a large private yard, and plenty of room to relax or entertain. There's even an electrified pool house for storage or future use, plus power already in place if you want to add a jacuzzi. Whether it's weekends with family or quiet evenings at home, this space delivers. With major updates already done, a solid brick build, and a great North Suffolk location, this is a home you can move into and enjoy right away.